Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time on any Samsung phone. Now, if you open the control center and try to use the mobile hotspot on your smartphone, it will ask you to turn off the Wi-Fi. Now, if you want to use the mobile hotspot and the Wi-Fi at the same time, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to connections and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now just tap on mobile hotspot and from here just tap on the network name. Now after that just go to advanced and from here just make sure to enable Wi-Fi sharing. Select save. Now once you do that, you will be enabled to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. And this is how you can use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.